Hi, I'm Nicole Taylor, a partner with the divorce firm of Gailor, Jenkins, Taylor, and Gibbs. I'm also a mediator, and I'd like to share some tips on how divorce mediation works and whether you should consider it. First off, a lot of people want to know what divorce mediation is. In a divorce-related mediation, a neutral third party, most often an experienced family lawyer, helps the two people resolve their divorce-related claims through negotiation, rather than having a judge decide in court. Next, you might wonder, can the mediator make decisions like a judge does in court? No, the mediator does not have the same role as a judge. The mediator cannot make rulings in the case or order either party to take any particular action. Instead, the mediator's role is to facilitate and manage the settlement offers back and forth between you and your spouse. Mediators help divorcing spouses identify common goals and bridge gaps where they disagree so they can try to reach a settlement out of court that everyone can live with. A common type of mediation is mediation before anyone files claims with the court. That is pre-litigation mediation. It occurs when spouses voluntarily participate before any lawsuit's been filed. It can be a cost-effective way to resolve your disputes. However, it isn't good for every case. For example, if your spouse refuses to give you financial information that you need to evaluate your rights and obligations, then you might need to file a lawsuit so you can get that information through the court. Here are some tips that should help you prepare for mediation. First, gather all your supporting documents so that if your attorney recommends it, you can exchange that information with the other side in advance. Before mediation, make sure you have a candid discussion with your lawyer about the issues that are most important to you, as well as an understanding of your likely best case and worst case scenarios in court, including as part of that an estimate of how much an attorney's fees and costs you'd probably incur if you took the case all the way through to trial. The financial expense and emotional toll of ending up in court should not be ignored when you analyze the value of settling your case out of court. So what should you expect during the mediation? Expect mediation to take a long time. It usually takes about a day, and in more complex financial cases, it can take up to several days. Don't worry that you'll have to sit in a room with your spouse all day. Typically, the mediator keeps the parties in separate conference rooms and communicates the offers back and forth between the two rooms. An experienced mediator will listen carefully to both sides so that an equitable solution can be reached if possible. So be prepared to give your mediator time to do his or her job properly. I hope this helps you understand the value of mediation. If you're considering it, please feel free to contact me directly at the contact information included in this video. And if you know someone in this situation, please feel free to share this video. Thank you.